Hello, my name is Benga. In a couple of minutes now, I'm going to be taking us through a process, a remarkable invention that we've been able to do with plastics, PET bottles, sachets, water, nylon, polythene bags, plastic bags. We've been able to come up with an innovative invention that could be able to convert all these plastics into bricks that can be used for road construction. We have test runs of works that we have done with this product, using it to fix some portion of roads on the highway. And the reports that after checking over a period of time have been very encouraging. We have compounds that we've used the interlocks to fix. And so one of the remarkable achievements about this whole process is that we've been able to take the plastic through a photodegradation process. Photodegradation is just a process that converts the non-biodegradable component of the plastics to 0.5, which makes it eco-friendly. It makes it usable for environmental purpose. Just like what I said, this is the seals. This is the process PET bottles plastics. This is the polythene process, the pure water sachet. And don't forget that I've explained that these two aggregates, the plastic, the polythene, they've gone through photodegradation. And that's why I use this plastic that I'm able to crush with my hand to explain that their non-biodegradable component has been reduced to 0.5, which makes it eco-friendly to be used on road or for building, as such that it has no effect on the soil or on the earth. And don't forget, I've explained that this is black clay. Now what I'm going to do is that person can end up coming up with cancer. So, but you can see all the process that we've gone through now. The plastics never went to any burning process, but rather that we subject the PET bottles and the sachet water nylon to a process I called photodegradation, and I've been able to explain it with this plastic that I've been able to crush with my hand what that photodegradation does to the plastics. It helps reduce the non-biodegradable component of those plastics, and you can see that the binding aggregate is the black clay. The black clay is more like a soil too. So, all right. So I have this. I put it in my plastic mold. So what we aim to achieve with this process is to see that we could help the Lagos state government or any state government to achieve a waste-free environment. We do this is one of waste upcycling process, as such that waste could be a valuable material. You can imagine if you have roads in Lagos constructed with this technology, these kinds of plastics made from plastics. So that's how it looks like. It takes like 24 hours to dry up. So I'm going to update us on what our finished product looks like. This is what the finished product looks like. This is 50 mm, 2x4, and a 2-inch 50 mm. Is a good sizable for less traffic roads, but for highway it could come in 100 mm. And the concept behind this is that we are adding values to plastics, as such that plastics becomes an aggregate, a valuable material for road construction. This is 30% cheaper when comparing price to the conventional interlocks, and this has been proven with our